Right guys, today I'm going to do a virtual walk around our fresh in stock BMW 320d. It's the 2 litre xDrive and it's the M Sport edition. Finished in this gorgeous black sapphire. As you can tell, really nice colour and nice paintwork, looks great. Going down to the alloys, we have the 18-inch M Sport twin spoke alloys. You can see you've got the nice M badging on there, and you also have the lovely blue calipers. And going with the rest of the car, it's just a lovely colourway on the car, looks great. If we move to the front, we have the BMW Angel Eye headlights with daytime running lights, really bright and clear lights and really iconic for the BMW, look great. Because it's the M Sport, we have the nice M Sport bumper, which is lovely, and you have the nice black grills and also the chrome bezel around the kidney grills as well, which look really nice. If we go onto the side, we have the nice M Sport badging located on the side, which looks great. We have matching coloured wing mirrors to the body colour, you got your indicators on there too, and black housing. Really nice black trimmer on the window. You also have black front and rear privacy glass and black B-pillars. We have matching coloured door handles to the rest of the car, so everything is just blacked out and looks great. If we go to the rear, we have the new rear tail lights, which look really nice, really bright on the road, stand out at night time especially. You have your lovely xDrive badging as well on there, which is really nice. Because it's the M Sport, we have the nice M Sport rear bumper. You also have the 2 exhaust tips and grey diffuser as well, which looks really nice. If we go and open up the boot, press the button, the boot will pop open. You have really nice boot space. You can fit a lot in there, really nice and comfortably, which is nice. And you also have some little storage parts on the side as well. If we go into the rear of the car, we have the gorgeous full leather interior, really comfy and nice seats, and also very spacious. You can fit 3 people in there nicely. We also have rear fans for your climate control, which can be adjusted in the back, which is great. If we go into the front of the car, just open up the door. We have the same style seats, but you've got a bit more lumbar support with these, which are really comfy and hug you. And then you also have your, you can pull out the leg rest as well if you want to extend that, which is nice. If we get into the car, it's wireless key entry, so foot on the brake, press the stop start button, the car will turn on. We have your nice full leather M Sport steering wheel in the new Shatter style, which is lovely. You have your controls on either side. So on this side you've got your cruise control and limiter. On this side you've got your volume control, hands-free, voice command, and obviously the mode select for your virtual driving dash, so you can change all your radio stations, which is really nice. You can even switch to your phone as well. If we move down, we have the fully electric door cards, and we also have the fully electric wing mirrors. And then the ability to lock the rear windows. You have the electric folding wing mirror function, so you just press that in, the wing mirrors will fold in, and you also have your electric wing mirrors as well to adjust. Move over to the media display, really nice media display. You've got your nice navigation system, all controlled through your panel down here. So you've got a nice media system with nice navigation on it. If we put the car in reverse, you can see you've got your parking sensors for your rear, which is nice. If we go back again, go into media and radio, you can see you've got DAB, FM, AM, CD and Bluetooth as well, and USB to connect your own phone. So you've got internet radio, which is a lovely alternative, and then you can also connect your phone through Bluetooth and USB. If we move down, you've got your dual zone climate control, your nice temperatures. You can change that and see what temperature you want it on either side. You've got your air circulation as well, which you can change to automatic and manual. Of course we have heated seats on either side, which is a nice extra. So that's really good as well. If you move down, you've got a bit of storage space. If we open here, 2 drinks holders, and then you've got your 12 volt there as well for charging or whatever you need. Moving down, we have your sport modes and comfort modes and eco modes, so you can put it in sport mode if you want to try and get a bit more response out the car, but obviously you'll use a bit of petrol. Obviously if you put it in comfort mode, it's just your standard everyday driving, and then you've got eco mode if you want to try and save a bit of fuel. You lose the responsiveness, but also you will save some fuel as well. It'll be good for motorway driving, which is really good. Here we have your traction control as well, and then obviously you've got the media display buttons. If we open up here, you have some more storage space and then a USB port for charging or listening to music. So if you have any more questions about this car, please feel free to contact our sales team. Potentially, this could be your next new car. Cheers.